quick tour of my tools. These are all the tools that I need to produce points for the auction. I have other tool sets, copper tool set, an aluminum tool set, and a natural tools tool set. But this is what I use to produce the items for the auctions. This is my production set, something I don't need to do a lot of maintenance on. All the components are easily replaced at the hardware store or go into the backyard, get the sticks I need or whatever. None of it is expensive. Okay. The grain scale I got to get on eBay, but I think that's the only thing I need to get. Well, no, the plastic. Okay, here we go. 4 pressure flakers, 16 penny nails for the tips, although I'm going to probably convert over all of them to 20 penny nails so they won't bend. Scissors, regular just utility scissors. 2 types of cordage. This one here is hemp. That one's just regular natural colored thread. The pad for pressure flaking. I like this. This one here is working out pretty good. I've been using it lately instead of the kidney shaped. Ultra high molecular weight plastic for the mallet. 1 foot steel rod. I think they come in 3 foot lengths at the hardware store. I just cut a 1 foot length off. Although I think I can get spike nails of this exact size, 3/8 inch diameter by 12 inches long. Alright, so I'm going to go to that next probably. A file that's semi-round. It's rounded on one side and flat on the other. The rounded side helps me to shape the spatula tools more easily. 2 pens, a permanent marker and a regular pen. A cut down ball peen hammer, small size. 2 grits of artificial abrader, very coarse and medium reader glasses. They would be protective glasses with just clear lenses if I didn't need to magnify them. Right, I need to use readers these days. Aluminum billet, 4 inch long, 6061 aluminum, 1.5 inch diameter. Piece of duct tape wrapped around the middle so I don't stain my hands or absorb a lot of that aluminum when I'm using it. These are foreshafts. One is a knife or a lateral dart point foreshaft, and this one is an arrow foreshaft, so I can try out the points in these hafts if I need to do it. I don't always make points to fit the hafts, right, unless I'm working on a specific project, but I have those just in case. Diamond file here, 3-sided. I like the 3-sided the best, although I rarely use it. Very rarely do I use it. If I stall the notches, I just usually leave the notches stalled. Okay, that's a scribing pen to scribe initials or other things into the stone, but this one's a carbide tip. It doesn't work well on flint, not at all. So I'm looking for a diamond tipped scriber pen, right? Gloves, although I don't use the right hand side very much at all unless I'm searching through flakes for the next project, right? You need gloves when you're looking through flakes because that's when you get most of your cuts, just messing around with the flakes. A small or a mini utility knife. This is my favorite. You can get these at Harbor Freight, thankfully. For a while I couldn't find these and replacement blades. Index cards for notes and various things. Band-aids, grain scale, and the box to put it all in. Clear box so I can see that it's my kit, right? I used to have all my kits in these bags or bins that were not see-through, but I like the see-through better. All right, so that's everything that I need for production work. The steel allows me to continue with the production work and not having to worry about tool maintenance or recreating new tools or procuring supplies. All of these things can be replaced easily from an eBay order or a hardware store. So I'm only a few days away, maybe a week at the most, from not having any of these tools, right? The things that I get on eBay are the plastic, the aluminum, the grain scale, everything else I can get from the local stores. Although the scriber pens sometimes are hard to get, so I'm going to order my next one from Amazon or something probably. But yeah, I can just go to the hardware store and replace these or make a new set. Let's say I go somewhere on vacation or whatever. I don't have my kit at all. I can make a kit in a few hours just by going to the hardware store. Okay? If I don't have an aluminum billet, I can get a piece of steel pipe and a steel cap and use that as a billet, right? Or a bopper. So I can replace all this stuff in a few hours at the hardware store. You know, it's not hard to find some sticks in the backyard or even oak dowels for those. Okay? So this is what I recommend for production, in case you're wondering. And the main advantage of steel, I get that question a lot. The main advantage of steel is its availability and its lack of maintenance. Making points with steel is a little bit harder. You have to make an adjustment for the crushing aspect of the steel because it's harsh. Copper would be better, but I can't replace copper in a few hours usually. I have to wait to order those sizes that I need. And same with aluminum. So steel is just the fastest thing and the easiest. There's just a slight adjustment to using the tools for production work, but they seem to work very well on a wide range of materials. It doesn't take very long to make the adjustment to be able to knap anything from extremely hard to extremely delicate materials. Okay? You'll notice things that are not in this kit. I don't have lap pads. I don't have large sticks anywhere. No large ishi sticks. Nothing that is larger than what can fit in a bin like this, or maybe a shaving kit. Okay, this can all fit in a small package or a small little bag like a shaving kit, or maybe a range bag where you carry your pistol and ammunition, that kind of size. Okay? All right.